Ang ideal na formula ng pagbabudget ay income minus savings equal expenses. Pero paano kung ang expenses natin ay mas malaki pa kaysa sa income? So ano ba dapat? Since nagsisimula ka pa lang naman at wala ka pang masyadong alam sa pagbabudget, gawin mo muna tong formula na income minus expenses. So sit down, look at your current income and expenses and create a budget. Ano ba ang budgeting? Budgeting is the process of creating a spending plan. Kapag meron tayong budget, alam natin kung saan napupunta ang ating sweldo, alam natin kung sapat ba ang kinikita natin sa dami ng gastos o bayanin every month, at nalalaman din natin kung may naiipon ba tayo para sa ating mga financial goals. Kapag wala tayong malinaw na budget, gastos lang tayo ng gastos at parang walang napupuntahan ang sweldo natin. Gusto mo bang malaman kung paano gumawa ng budget?
Step 1, alamin mo kung magkano talaga ang kinikita mo every month. If you are creating a family budget, pwede na natin ditong isama yung income ng ating husband or wife at i-total natin yung ating income. Let's just assume na ang total income ng husband and wife is 50,000 pesos. Step 2, list down all your expenses kasama na yung fixed and variable expenses. Sa fixed expenses, ito yung mga bills and expenses natin na fixed ang amount every month, kagaya ng house, either rent or mortgage, kasama din dito yung car kung meron, internet, credit card debts kung fixed yung amount na binabayaran nyo every month, at iba pa. Sa variable expenses naman, ito yung mga bills and expenses natin na nag-iiba-iba per month depende sa ating konsumo o gastos, kagaya ng electricity, water, gas, food and groceries. Pwede nyo ring tama dito yung inyong personal fund or play fund kung meron kayo for dad, for mom, or for your kids. Eat out fund or food deliveries. Again, this is a personal budget. So, i-tweak nyo na lang kung ano yung applicable sa inyo at ilagay nyo na lang kung ano talaga yung actual na pinagkakagastosan nyo. Kung gusto nyong baguhin yung categories, pwedeng-pwede yan. Sabi nga, there is no perfect budget. The best budget is the one that really works for you. So kung ano yung nag-work sa'yo at kung saan ka komportable, yun ang sundin mo. Ako, personally, I like to categorize my expenses into 3. Number 1, spending. Number 2, giving. And number 3, saving. In terms of giving, I give my tithe, the 10% of my income, to the church. Naniniwala ako na lahat ng natatanggap ko ng aming family ay galing kay God, and I feel good giving back a portion of what I earn through tithing and offering. Aside from tithing, nag-allocate din kami for family support, at alam ko marami sa ating mga Pinoy ang tumutulong financially sa ating mga kapamilya. Sa ating sample budget, I will allocate 1,000 pesos for family support. Sa savings naman, I will allocate 2,000 pesos. Ngayon naman, i-total natin lahat ng ating expenses including yung fixed and variable expenses. So, ang total ng ating expenses ay 42,000 pesos. Under our giving category naman, we have 5,000 for tithe plus 1,000 for family support. Ang total is 6,000 pesos. Under savings category, 2,000 pesos. Kung titingnan naman natin in terms of percentage ang ating budget, 84% ay under sa category ng spending, 12% naman sa category ng giving, and 4% for savings. As you can see, just by creating a budget, makikita na natin kagad kung saan napupunta ang ating sweldo. Alam mo na kagad kung ilang percent ang expenses, ang giving, at ang savings mo. Kaya napakahalaga talaga ng pagbabudget. If you have a budget, you have control over your money and not your money controlling you. Para kang commanding general at yung pera mo naman yung mga sundalo. Yung budget mo yung battle plan and you have full control kung saan mo sila gagamitin. Pag wala kang budget o plano, yung pera mo kung saan-saan lang napupunta at nagagamit mo ito kahit sa mga unplanned expenses. At nagtataka ka bago pa dumating ang sweldo mo kung bakit ubos na ang pera o short ka na sa budget.
Sana ay nakatulong sa'yo ang video na to. And now, it's your turn to create your own budget.
For more budgeting tips and resources, check out the links on the screen. Thank you for watching and happy budgeting!